Hi everyone. So I got an email the other day. Thrive Market. I shop online at this Thrive Market, and I did do one product review video a while back. So if you look at my channel, Awesome Fun and Frugal, you can look back and look at that one product review. I was hoping that Thrive would see it, and I did try to tag them in it, but I didn't get a response. That's okay. They're not a sponsor. Maybe someday they will be. But they sent an email wanting some of us longtime membership holders to do a video review. And I have to do this questionnaire from them, and that'll be another video that I'll share later. But it gave me the idea that I should be doing some unboxing of the things I get from them. It would be helpful to other people. So my membership is actually free. This Thrive Market, it's online market, and they have discounted health food and other health supplies, all natural, organic stuff you would find in a health food store, a high-end health food store, but at incredible discounts. Like some things are like up to 70% off. So, and they always give you some free gift. Like if you remember, they send you texts and emails to let you know when the free gift is available. And if you wait for that, you get a really good deal on something that is normally pretty expensive, and they give you a chance to sample things, and so it's great. And if you buy a membership, they gift one. It's a 1-for-1. So every membership that is purchased, another one is gifted to a family in need. And I was blessed many years ago to be able to apply for one of those gift memberships. So whoever bought one before I got mine, I am so grateful to them. That provided me with my gift membership. And I've been benefiting from the discounts for many years. I think for about 6 years or so now that I've been ordering from this market. And they often have things you can't find somewhere else. They've been a little low on some supplies since the whole supply chain thing has happened. But they're still pretty good at getting stuff to you. Sometimes it's delayed, but they get it to you. So I'm going to show you what I got this time. So I ordered maybe about once a month when I can afford a whole box of stuff to get free shipping. So you have to order $49 and then you get free shipping. So I usually do that. I wait till I need stuff, $50 worth of stuff, and then I get some free thing, and so it ends up being, maybe $70 worth of stuff for $50. So it's worth it. So here it goes. Here's the box, and it says Thrive Market right here, and they always have a cute little box. And on the holidays, they change the pattern to go with whatever season it is. So it's kind of cute. And you get to see who packed. So this says that Gertie has packed my box. So thank you, Gertie. And it says on the box how they give every new annual membership sponsors a free year of membership for a family in need. And we're on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone, and 100% recyclable and sent with carbon neutral shipping. So they're very environmentally conscious, and they pack just paper, like paper bags. And they put a lot in there. And then so I got the dish soap, same thing I got last time. I really like it. It's a lemon scented, and it's all free of chemicals and dyes and anything unsafe and sustainably sourced and all of that. So that's my dish soap, and that'll last me quite a while. I'm unfortunately in menopause, so these are hard to find supplement, and in the health food store they're very expensive because they're hard to get. So I get a really good deal on those. And I got some allergy eye relief because I get allergy eyes. And my free gift is I get to try this oat milk cold brew coffee. I love oat milk, and I like coffee, and I like cold brews, and this looked really good. So this was one of 4 choices for the free item, and I'm looking forward to trying it. And that's it. That's the box. So if you get a chance, go online to thrivemarket.com. They're not my sponsor. I would like them to be someday for my channel. I would love to keep unboxing their stuff and encouraging people to use them as a resource for discount on healthy stuff. So check it out. And if you like this video and you want to see more, I have a channel, and this is my channel. Yeah, obviously, Possum Fun and Frugal. I am Gretchen, and if you're not already my subscribers, and thank you to those who are, check out my channel. I have a variety of videos. I have fun pet videos. I have art videos. I'm a pretty darn good painter, artist. So right now I have a big project going on, a unique art piece. And I do some part-time van life stuff, camping with my pups. And I have a cute kitty, and she's kind of funny sometimes. And I like to create creative meals out of free food resources that I am blessed to have here in Santa Cruz County. So I live in a beautiful place. I also like to show off some of my beautiful area of Santa Cruz and the beach, and so I'd love to share that all with you. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you'll know when I posted a new video.